Holden 308253, GM Australia. Shaft mounted stainless roller rockers for standard Oldsmobile heads and Holden heads. Exactly the same alloy bridges as a Holden and Oldsmobile. Right geometry from ProComp or Speedmaster, great Australian company, or HQ, Muscle Car HQ, Sydney, they got them. Bolt to a factory Holden head, no machining, no guide plates. Or a Oldsmobile head, no machining, no guide plates. Little pedestals, 5/16 bolt. Obviously they would fit here. If these weren't 3/8 or they were 5/16, they would fit. Anyway, 200 Australian, 186 US, stainless. Can't go wrong.